Hello students, today I am going to start a new chapter for you, that is From a Railway Carriage, written by Robert Louis Stevenson. But before starting the chapter, I want to tell you that sorry for the interruption. That was on behalf of me because I was not well for some days. That's why I didn't give any classes to you. So I'm sorry for that. But now I'm trying to give you the classes once more. Okay. So let's start the class. This is a poem written by Robert Louis Stevenson. It is written here. You just go through the spelling very carefully. Okay. Now before reading the poem, I want to tell you that come to the page number 23. Come to page number 23. In this page, you may find that there are some word notes. These word notes are very important because these word notes, with the help of these word notes, you may easily you may easily understand the meaning of the poem, because there are some new words in the poem that will be helpful for you to read the word notes first. Okay, so first it is written here, ditches. Ditches means narrow drains at the side of a road. गड्ढा छोटा सा होता है ना वैसे. Charging along, rushing forward like an attacking army. So an attacking army which is rushing forward with its strength. So that is charging along. Meadows, that means pieces of grassland. Grassland is full of greeneries. Driving rain. Sorry. Driving rain, heavy rainfall with wind. In the wink of an eye, very fast. That is a twinkling of an eye. पलक झपकने में जितना टाइम उतना. Clambers and scrambles. That means climbs in a hurry, sometimes using both hands and feet. Please listen carefully. Climbs in a hurry, sometimes using both hands and feet, like the Spider-Man. You know Spider-Man, how Spider-Man climbs. So like that, like lizards. Okay. Brambles, that means bushes with thorns, blackberry bushes. Okay. Tramp. Tramp means as a person, a homeless, jobless person who goes from place to place. He doesn't know where to go. Okay. A vagabond type. Stringing the daisies. That means making a garland of daisies. To put the daisies, this is a flower, to put the daisies into the string to make a garland, mala. Lumping along, moving forward, going up and down on a village road. Mill, building that has a machine for grinding wheat into flour. So in foreign countries, there are many mills which are very large in size. They grind the flour for the daily uses. Glimpse. Glimpse means see briefly, short view. Okay, so we have read all the word meanings here. Now we will read the poem. So come to page number 22. From a railway carriage. That means here you may see that it's a little boy who is looking through the window of a railway carriage. He is sitting in the carriage and he is looking outside the carriage while it was moving, while the train was moving. Okay. So now we will see what the young boy or young little boy is seeing from a railway carriage. We may often go through a railway carriage, and some people, especially children, they like to sit by the window and looking outside the window. Faster than fairies, faster than witches. So fairies, that is the good spirit, and witches, that is bad spirit. Okay. So all these creatures, either it is a fairy or it is a witch, they moves very fast, and faster than this creature, everything is moving so high, so fast. Everything is moving so fast. When we sit inside a railway carriage, we see outside. If we see outside, it seems to us that we are not moving, everything is moving. We are seeing, and outside the window everything is moving, but the fact is quite contrary to that, because we are moving and everything is still. Bridges, what are moving? Bridges and houses. Bridges, we know the bridges are made in over the river. Houses, hedges, we read about the hedges. Hedges means the bushes. And ditches. So everything what we look outside, everything seems to moving and charging along like troops in a battle. So everything is charging or marching forward like the battle troops, like the army troops. All through the meadows, the horses and cattle. So the child is saying that there are meadows which is full with granaries, full with grasses, and horses and cattle were there. They were grazing over there, and everything is moving. The meadow is moving, seems to be moving. The meadow is moving, the horses and cattle all are going so fast. All the sides of the hill and the plain, either it is a hill, either it is a small mountain or a plain land, everything is moving in front of his eyes. Fly as thick as driving rain. So everything is like flying, and the rain is driving everything away. Swaying rain. And ever again, in the wink of an eye, painted stations whistle by. So painted beautiful stations, they are passing, whistling by in a winking of an eye. So it like the station is a very big place, we know that, and with the winking of an eye, with the twinkling of an eye rather, that station, the big station, is passing by as if it is moving so fast, so forward. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles. The children, the boy who is sitting inside the carriage, he sees another child who is uh, clambers and scrambles, all by himself and gathering brambles. We have read about the brambles. What is brambles? That is bushes with thorns, blackberry bushes. The child is scrambling the things from the bushes. Here is a tramp. Tramp means a vagabond, a person who goes place to place without any ambition, without any destination, proper destination. So here is a tramp who stands and gazes. So the tramp or the vagabond or the person is standing with a vacant look and looking nowhere, like with a vacant look. And here is the green of stringing the daisies. So the daisies, there is a flower. These flowers are very beautiful, and everywhere the daisies are in full bloom, and it looks like that the daisies are making a string like a mala. Okay, because there are a large number of daisies outside the railway carriage. Here is a cart run away in the road. So the child sees a cart also. Okay, so the cart, what was what it was doing? The cart was run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. So what was inside the cart? The cart was filled with man and load. It's laden with man and load, and it was going lumping along. And here is a mill and there is a river. So what did the child see? He sees a mill, that is the mill that is grinds flour, sorry, that grinds flour for the daily uses. Which kind of flour? That is maybe rice flour, wheat flour. Okay, and there is a river. He also sees a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. So what he sees all through his journey, what he sees outside the railway carriage, all the things are glimpses, all the things are short views, and if they gone once at a time, it never comes back, because the train is passing by, the train is moving forward. That is why the child is not able to see the things again and again, isn't it? Because the child is going to a certain journey, he is going to a certain destination, and what he sees through his journey, it gone forever, and it appears, everything is appearing in front of his eyes like a short glimpse. Okay, so we are going to recite the poem once more. I am going to recite it for you once more. From a railway carriage. Faster than ferries, faster than beaches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows, the horses and cattle. If you read like this, you will find enjoyment in reading. Okay, all of the sides of the hill and the plain fly as thick as driving rain, and ever again, in the wink of an eye, painted stations whistle by. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles all by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and here is the green for stringing the daisies. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. And here is a mill, and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, so we have read the poem quite carefully, quite minutely, but when you will read, you please go through the poem very carefully, because this poem contains short informations that will make very short type of question answers. I will definitely give you the question answers. Okay, we have another chapter, that is I think I'm telling you, the chapter was animals on the track. Okay, I have read it for you in my early classes. So I will give these question answers first to you in my next class. Then I will give you the question answers from a railway carriage. Okay, and you do learn this word notes carefully, because this will make some short questions for your exam. That will be very helpful for your exam. Okay, so that is all for today. Thank you.